1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi, and welcome to the How to Make a Comic Book Massive Open Online course. I'm really excited to have you here. We're going to be creating your first mini comic together. This comic is meant to introduce you to the ways that professionals actually create comic books. There's a lot of details on how to do that, and I don't really want to get into it right now. What I want you to do is check out all the supporting documents. We have tutorials, models that you can look at, and even a master rubric that will walk you through the process of how to do it well. As you end this video, I want you to also go check out the Reddit community. Here, you can check it out. The Reddit community was really set up so that you could connect with your peers after the course ends and keep creating together. Good luck. It's going to be a great process. Let's have a good time.